Alright guys, hey, so we're picking up where we left off in the last video. Go watch it. We're pulling the engine out of the 51 Dodge B1 Series Pilothouse. You saw us disassemble the old engine, get what we needed out of it, put it on the new engine. Now, this video is going to pick up. We're going to put the converter in the 4L60E. It's an billet unit from FTI. It's a billet back half unit from FTI with an anti-balloon plate. This truck has always had a Trailblazer inline 6-cylinder converter, stock converter. The converter code for one of those is VJCX. VJCX. That is going to be an inline 6-cylinder torque converter for a 4L60. What those do is that is like a cheap man stall converter. Behind a LS, they stall 24 to 2600 RPM versus the factory like 1500 RPM. It is an upgrade. Go to the pull apart yard, they're like $50 for y'all on a budget. Honestly, upgrade. I've put them in multiple builds and they absolutely work for somebody that doesn't want to spend a lot of money but wants that extra little pep that a small stall will give you. So like I said, we're going to upgrade it. We're going to turn this truck up. The stock stall converter, you know, they seem to be about 500 is about all they want. Anything more than that, they're not too happy. So we're going to put this really nice converter in it and see how that helps. I can't wait to experience it. We're going to set the motor in here, get it all buttoned up, and then go for a test drive. So stay tuned and find out.
Cue the montage.
Cue the montage. Don't have one. We're not there yet. Ready for it?
Mm-hmm.
What are you grunting for? Hey, dude, that fluid still looks good.
Yeah, it's still red.
That stuff is bright red. Look at that stuff. We've been hammering on this thing with this fluid in it for, God, I probably got 5,000 miles on this truck. So the trick to these guys is you have to clock the converter into the transmission pump. If you do not do that and you try to install the motor, what's going to happen is that the snout on this converter is going to be misaligned with the actual pump in the transmission, and it will shatter the pump in the transmission if you try to install the engine without the pump, the converter seated in the pump. It will force the snout into the pump and just shatter it. And then you're going to be cussing yourself. So make sure you clock these. It is very important. So that's going to be 1. You're going to shake and spin. That's 2. Keep turning. 3. Okay. And then I like to shake it. They say 3 clunks. You're good. So I think we're good. Look at this 9.5-inch converter versus what we pulled out. I believe what was in there is a 11 or a 13-inch converter. So huge difference in converter size here. All right, guys. So now we got that. We're going to get the motor set up and swing that puppy into this truck. We're making progress. It's a terrible shot, but whatever.
Come over here and get some money shot.
I don't think so.
Stick that thing in your Texaco sign.
I don't think it'll stick. It's all right. Whoa. Oh, we gotta go back up with this. Go back up.
Yeah. I'll follow.
Yeah, does a lot good if
Inside of those.
unprepared.
What else did we forget?
Alignment dowel, I guess, has to get pushed in. Has one on the passenger side. That's it, right there. Alright. Crisis averted, people. Crisis averted.
Say when.
Come down, sir.
Can you see that master?
I can't see nothing over there.
You're good over here. We're just tapping at
The master.
your. Yeah.
Okay. Am I good?
You
You
good
good
over
over
here?
something? No, you're good. I'm asking if you're good over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see where
We're
we're at.
on the brackets. The motor mounts.
Okay. I need to go back up here. Yeah, go. Basically go. Like where are we at?
Huh? Just need to. There you go. Let's go. Let's go back a little bit.
Huh?
Come down. On the mount over here.
Yeah, we'll probably on the mounts on both sides. We'll grab the big light. I kinda see, I can't see nothing.
Okay, I think if we drop it, we'll be fine over here.
Oh, we're real close. It just needs to, like,
Can
we're
slide
almost
it in.
dead nuts. Okay, my side just float just a second. Like I'm, oh, yeah, here. Get out of there. Like you're not gonna manhandle it.
Yeah.
You can't.
Need something to stand up on because I ain't tall.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're not even close. Alright. Go down one more. Yeah, just keep going down. No, here, go back up.
Go back up.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like we're real close, but
Lower a little bit. Oh, that was nice.
yeah.
I like that.
Alright, y'all, so what you're seeing here is just us fighting to get the motor mounts in. The new poly mounts are way stiffer, and they just did not want to let the bolts fall into place like the old wore out motor mounts did. They'd been in this thing for 10 years. So that's what we're doing here. Unfortunately, I didn't get an outro on this, and I ended up, I was getting sick as we were installing this engine. I had some bug my daughter gave us, and either way, it was getting worse and worse and worse for me. So after we get the bolts in this deal, we end up just giving up and calling it quits for the evening. So either way, I just wanted to get on here and kind of let y'all know what was up. We did get the motor in. There is some surprises that will come up in the next video. So stick around and watch us just royally have to fix a lot of crap. So thanks again for watching, guys.